Making sushi is a culinary art that involves carefully preparing and combining ingredients to create delicious rolls. Here's a basic guide to making sushi at home. Ingredients you'll need. 1. Sushi rice. 2. Nori, seaweed, sheets. 3. Fresh fish, such as salmon, tuna, or shrimp, or other fillings, avocado, cucumber, crab meat, etc. 4. Rice vinegar. 5. Sugar. 6. Salt. 7. Soy sauce. 8. Wasabi, optional. 9. Pickled ginger, optional. 10. Bamboo sushi rolling mat. Steps. Prepare the sushi rice. 1. Rinse the sushi rice in cold water until the water runs clear. 2. Cook the rice according to the package instructions. 3. Once cooked, let it sit covered for about 10 minutes. 4. In a small bowl, mix rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. 5. Heat the mixture slightly, do not boil, and stir until the sugar and salt dissolve. 6. Transfer the cooked rice to a large bowl and gently fold in the vinegar mixture while fanning the rice to help it cool down. 7. This gives the rice its characteristic flavor and stickiness. Prepare the fillings. 1. Slice your chosen fish or other ingredients into thin strips or small pieces. 2. Make sure they are of a size suitable for rolling. Assemble the sushi. 1. Place a bamboo sushi rolling mat on a clean surface and put a sheet of nori on top, shiny side down. 2. Wet your fingers to prevent the rice from sticking and take a handful of sushi rice. 3. Spread the rice evenly over the nori, leaving a small border at the top edge. 4. Lay your chosen fillings horizontally across the rice, slightly off-center. Roll the sushi. 1. Lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you and start rolling the nori and rice over the fillings. 2. Use gentle pressure to shape the roll. 3. Once the roll is complete, moisten the top border of the nori with a bit of water to seal the sushi. Slice the sushi. 1. Use a sharp, wet knife to slice the roll into bite-sized pieces. 2. Wetting the knife helps prevent the rice from sticking. Serve. 1. Arrange the sliced sushi on a plate. 2. You can serve it with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger on the side. Remember, making sushi takes practice, so don't be discouraged if your first rolls aren't perfect. Over time, you'll get better at rolling and slicing. Also, feel free to get creative with your fillings and combinations to make unique sushi rolls. Enjoy your homemade sushi.